Hello students, let us learn an example on radius of curvature in Cartesian form. The example considered is find the radius of curvature for the curve x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 is equal to a raised to 2 by 3. So let us consider the curve x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 is equal to a raised to 2 by 3. Differentiating with respect to x, derivative of x raised to 2 by 3, which is in the form of x raised to n, is n into x raised to n minus 1. So we have 2 by 3, x raised to 2 by 3 minus 1. Similarly, derivative of y raised to 2 by 3, it is 2 by 3, y raised to 2 by 3 minus 1 into the derivative of y, that is y1. RHS is a constant term, derivative is 0. Now 2 by 3, x raised to 2 by 3 minus 1, it is minus 1 by 3, plus again 2 by 3, y raised to minus 1 by 3 into y1 is equal to 0. So we have got the value of y1 equal to, or let me write 2 by 3, y raised to minus 1 by 3 y1 is minus 2 by 3, x raised to minus 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 gets cancelled from LHS and RHS. y1 equal to minus x raised to minus 1 by 3 divided by y raised to minus 1 by 3. Or if we take the reciprocal, we can write minus y raised to 1 by 3 upon x raised to 1 by 3. That is our y1. y1 equal to, we have minus y raised to 1 by 3 divided by x raised to 1 by 3. Let us call the given curve as 1, y1 as 2. Now let us differentiate equation 1 again with respect to x. Differentiating y1 with respect to x, y2 equal to minus, let us keep it outside, we go for the quotient rule, x raised to 1 by 3 as it is, derivative of y raised to 1 by 3. It is 1 by 3, y raised to 1 by 3 minus 1, which is minus 2 by 3. That is y raised to minus 2 by 3 into the derivative of y, that is y1, minus, we have y raised to 1 by 3, the numerator as it is, derivative of x raised to 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3, x raised to again 1 by 3 minus 1, it is minus 2 by 3, whole divided by square of the denominator, it is x raised to 2 by 3. Let us simplify the term, that is minus 1 by 3, x raised to 1 by 3, y raised to minus 2 by 3, into we have y1. y1 is minus y raised to 1 by 3 divided by x raised to 1 by, minus 1 by 3 again, x raised to minus 2 by 3, y raised to 1 by 3, whole divided by, we have x raised to 2 by 3. Now, minus is there outside and both the terms are multiplied by minus. So if we multiply minus inside, both the terms will become positive. As well again, we have 1 by 3 is common. So 1 by 3, let me keep x raised to 2 by 3, this denominator term outside. Now what we have is, here x raised to 1 by 3 cancels, y raised to minus 2 by 3 into y raised to 1 by 3. That is minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. We have y raised to minus 1 by 3 minus x raised to minus 2 by 3 into y raised to 1, sorry, plus it is because minus is kept outside. Now this term we will better write with positive power 1 by 3 into x raised to 2 by 3, 1 upon, or I can write 1 upon y raised to 1 by 3 plus y raised to 1 by 3 divided by x raised to 2 by 3. So that we have positive powers for x and y. Let us take LCM here. So we have 1 by 3 into x raised to 2 by 3. X raised to 2 by 3, 1 into this term, it is x raised to 2 by 3, plus y raised to 1 by 3 into y raised to 1 by 3. Y raised to 1 by 3 into y raised to 1 by 3, it is y raised to 2 by 3, adding the powers. Now, denominator, LCM term, it is y raised to 1 by 3 into x raised to 2 by 3. So, what we have is 1 by 3 into, we have x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3. Now, this term from the given equation 1, from equation 1, it is x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3, it is equal to a raised to 2 by 3. So, let us substitute that value here. We have 1 divided by 3 into x raised to 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is 4 by 3 into y raised to 1 by 3. Numerator is a raised to 2 by 3. Numerator we have a raised to 2 by 3. Now, this is the value for y2. This is the value for y2. Now, let us substitute y1 and y2 in formula for rho. Now, we know that rho equal to 1 plus y1 square raised to 3 by 2 divided by y2. 1 plus y1 square. What is y1 here? We'll substitute the value of y1. It is minus y by x raised to 1 by 3, or it is minus y raised to 1 by 3 divided by x raised to 1 by 3. This is y1. Its square, then raised to we have 3 by 2 divided by y2. y2, it is a raised to 2 by 3. Let us take the denominator of denominator to the numerator, x raised to 4 by 3 into y raised to 1 by 3. So, let us simplify this. We have rho equal to 1 plus y raised to 2 by 3 divided by x raised to 2 by 3, because square we have this y1 square. If we square, minus becomes plus, and we have y raised to 2 by 3 divided by x raised to 2 by 3. Whole raised to it is 3 by 2 divided by a raised to 2 by 3 into 3 times x raised to 4 by 3 into y raised to 1 by 3. Now, let us take LCM for the bracket. Taking LCM, it is x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by, the LCM is x raised to 2 by 3, and it should be again raised to 3 by 2. The LCM of this x raised to 2 by 3, it is again raised to the power 3 by 2. The remaining terms will keep as it is, a raised to 2 by 3, then in the numerator 3 times x raised to 4 by 3, y raised to 1 by 3. Now here, x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3, again from equation 1, it is a raised to 2 by 3, whole raised to we have 3 by 2. Denominator 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 cancels, it is x raised to 1, we have a raised to 2 by 3, 3 times x raised to 4 by 3, y raised to 1 by 3. So again, 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 gets cancelled here, a raised to 1. Denominator we have a raised to 2 by 3. So let us subtract the power 1 minus 2 by 3. Then x 3 into x raised to this 4 by 3 in the numerator. Denominator we have x raised to 1. Again let us subtract the powers, and y raised to 1 by 3 will keep as it is. So the simplification, 1 minus 2 by 3, the value of rho, will get it as 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3 It is a raised to 1 by 3. 3 times x raised to 4 by 3 minus 1, it is again 1 by 3. We have y raised to 1 by 3. So the value of rho is 3 times axy raised to 1 by 3. So this is rho for the given curve. Thank you.